But the BJP as a party only knew how to fight straightforward war. BJP as a party only knew how to do a straightforward elections. Just like I would also have given the example in a couple of other channels also, that Pandavas of Mahabharata only know how to do a yuddha straightforward. But Kaurav knew how to do the same war the other way also. They know how to hit from back. But in this all deal, Pandav did win the Kurukshetra war field, but they have lost their own kith and kin. They have lost Panch Pandavas who are their own children. They have lost Abhimanyu, a big warrior. They have lost Ghatotkacha, a great warrior. So, even Itihas and history tells us that between the war of truth and injustice, their truth and justice has to definitely shell down and sacrifice some amount of their own kith and kin. And we have to sacrifice our own beloved voters because of the wrong allegations, wrong misinterpretations, a wrong communication that has been passed into those simple, poor, uneducated, insecure people of this country. But I'm sure still the truth wins, justice wins, and it prevails. That's the reason BJP has come back to power. Now, you may have question on Chandrababu Naidu ji and Nitish ji. Now the question here arises is, these are also the leaders who are hit by these kind of allegations. For example, Chandrababu Naidu ji. Once upon a time, we all belonged to a united Andhra Pradesh. He has tremendously worked for the development of Andhra Pradesh, where Telangana has taken a larger chunk of development. Today, whatever you are seeing, it is because on the foundations laid by Chandrababu Naidu ji as a former chief minister. He's a pretty decent man, an educated man, a focused person, a perfect administrator. He exactly knows what he's doing. He exactly knows that his working together with Modi ji or Bajpa party would be in the best interest of the nation. Now, who is a kingmaker? Who is not a kingmaker? I think this is how the system, the media, the opposition, whoever dislike or whoever would want to make big sounds about this, they keep talking about these things. But I don't think I would want to really give any importance on these kind of statements, but I would still want to congratulate our beloved Prime Minister Modi ji and our beloved Home Minister Amit Shah ji, in whose combination and whose hard work, whatever the opposition wanted to do, still they came up with flying colors. And our beloved Yogi ji, who would have really struggled to stand up to give those seats, whatever he has given, in spite of opposition trying to repeatedly hit in a negative way. Their sacrifices, their hard work, I'm sure the entire country would remember.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.